It's very exciting for us. We're at the top of Bushman's Pass at about 2,300 meters of altitude. We're here to launch our brand new fuel-injected two-stroke TPI range to the media.
This is really an iconic model. It's always been a favorite with South African dirt bike riders, and it's been taken to another level with fuel injection. So we're very, very interested to see how it performs in what really is its backyard.
Lesotho, and especially Bushman's, is very special to us. We come here every year to the roof of Africa and, yes, race against the clock, race the mountains and enjoy the beautiful scenery around us. So the media's got the privilege to ride the Roof of Africa time trial this year.
Look, I've done a roof before, so that's going to play a key role. I would say, you know, it's not going to be that difficult. If you look at the times the guys did, there were some areas that apparently steep downhills, nice climbs, but I think it's going to be very interesting.
A special feature of today's ride is for Lesotho to be riding with the Lettenbechlers. Andreas and Manuel now are real legends of the sport.
It's really cool because if you think about it, Andreas and a dear friend, Chris Birch as well, were the ones that introduced the South Africans to this really hard enduro stuff. If it wasn't for them, I don't think our boys will be as far as what they are today. So for me, it's really, really cool to be riding with them.
So we will stick together, like all of us, we will help each other. So then we will, of course, made it into the finish or back to here at the pits. But of course, there are some gnarly downhills and some difficult uphills, but we will manage it.
Nearly did it.
Yeah?
There you go. Why don't you take it just to that bit?
Okay, I will take it.
That's going to be easier, I think. How does he do that? So I would have died just doing that bit over there. There he goes. Okay, good workout here. He's walking.
I'm so glad I wasn't on that launch.
Oh, I feel... Did you actually do all 40 kilometres?
Actually, I did more.
Really?
Because you see, after 30 kilometers of absolute hell, I came across a lovely smooth dirt road and said, bye, and did a whole lot of riding back to the hotel. It was fun.
So, apart from all that, did you enjoy it? Was it...
Yeah,
did you manage the ride? Was it easy?
Easy,
really?
yeah, easy.
You didn't die?
Really?
No, I nearly died. I nearly died.
Well, you nearly died. I happen to notice your phone has died.
Well, you see, what happened is that I
What happens is an idiot took an iPhone on a bit of the roof course.
And used it to break his fall.
Well, yeah, I did kind of fall off a medium-sized cliff and sort of
Oh, dear.
landed on my phone.
The lengths our Donovan goes to get the story for you, the viewer. And talking of the story, this is actually big news, isn't it?
It is huge news. You know, the thing is about it is fuel injection on a two-stroke motors are notoriously difficult. They really are. I mean,
by the way, sorry to interrupt, ask Bimotor.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Remember the video?
It didn't work, did it?
No, and they went bankrupt. But sorry, carry on.
Yeah, because, I mean, with carburetors, I mean, the motor pulls what it needs. With fuel injection, you have to sort of guess what the motor wants. Now, with a four-stroke, you put a lambda sensor, and what that reads is pretty accurate. With a two-stroke, by the time the lambda sensor picks up what the fueling's doing, it's changed already.
I don't understand what he's saying.
He does, apparently. It's fine.
Okay,
I read it somewhere. No, but just to put this in a perspective, KTM first brought out the concept of this motor, a working motor with fuel injection, in 2004. And they're releasing it this year. It's taken them 13 years. KTM,
Quite difficult then, isn't it?
13 years to get right.
But this is really exciting because this could transfer to road bikes.
Well, mainly because the damn things are... I don't know how they've done this. It's obviously fueling, but it's Euro 4 compliant, isn't it?
It's very clever, extremely clever. I mean, the way two strokes work is that it it brings in all the air and petrol
Don't
through the
start
crankcase.
this again,
No,
Donovan.
he's
I
off.
can't do
He's
the
off.
technical. I can't do the technical.
Calm down. Our viewers are clever.
We've
like
got a
us.
website for this stuff where it makes your ears bleed. You can read all that there.
Yeah.
To ride, it's got a happy button and it feels... Well, it must have a battery, so is it heavier?
No, not really. I mean, they've got all that lithium ion something, I don't
So
know
it's a
that.
tiny little thing
tiny
like this
little
big.
thing like this big that doesn't weigh anything, and that is what starts the motorbike. And that fuel injection, I mean, you think it'll have problems, it'll lag, no, it's not. It's brilliant.
What size engine is this that you've been riding?
300, well, like, they've got 300s and 250s. I mean...
300
Imagine
two-stroke.
Imagine if they brought a 500 out as well.
Imagine sticking it in a frame out of one of the
They
road
used to have
bikes.
that 550 two-stroke. Remember that monster? And people go on about the CL500. The KTM 550 was mad. I want to see one of those in like a 390 Duke frame.
I was just going to say, that'd be brilliant. Have we got any idea of pricing for these yet?
Not yet, because I was too tired to phone KTM.
Oh,
Pretty
talking
much
of
the same.
which, okay, you're sending me to sleep now as well. Off you go. You go back to sleep. We'll see you after this ad break.